Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Hull-Muniz Plans, and I am back with another memory spread. This week I will be planning out the week of October 19th through October 25th using this beautiful kit from GLdesignsgroup called Loving Fall. It is not foiled, so I will be pulling in rose gold foil for this because I thought it would match perfectly. But anyways, I'm going to speed up and lay down the base of the spread and then get back to you guys with the day today.
I can even think well, but I want you by my side my all day. I know I'm a fool, I don't even care. I want you to listen what I say. I love you but it's so confusing. I'm winning at the same time losing. I love you but it's so confusing. I'm winning at the same time losing. You have the blame. You have you have the blame. You have the blame. You have
So first of all, I want to say I looked back in my planner and this is the first time that I've planned with a GLdesignsgroup since July. So I was really excited to actually use this kit, but I had to get used to using kits from GLdesignsgroup again because it had been so long since I'd used a kit from them. So this was a really fun spread, and once I got into it and finished laying down the base, I was like, oh, I got this. And it was also really fun bringing in foil. Like normally for the past several weeks, I've just been using very foiled kits and not having to bring in that much foil because I'm like, you know, oh, the kit's already foiled. But for this, I actually had to bring in foil, and I don't know, it was a lot of fun. So anyways, starting off on Monday, the first thing that I wanted to mark is that I uploaded my haul on this day, the one that took 5,000 years to upload and edit. Oh, I just talk so much. I love filming hauls, but I just I get so irritated with the sound of my voice. I'm just like, Jen, I can't with you. So bless all of you for listening to me ramble. I also want to mention that I pull in these beautiful florals from Vintage Sticker Dream. I was introduced to that shop from by Ashley from Planned with Ash. She did this silent haul on her Instagram and I was like, okay, I gotta go find some of those. So yeah, the florals that I pull in are from Vintage Sticker Dream. That little mailer on Monday is from Bloom Paper Studio. The box is from Meg B Makes. The florals are, of course, from Vintage Sticker Dream. And then the upload script, that's from my mom. Jumping down, the second thing I wanted to mark is that I went over to my parents' house and helped organize and clean up because on this day, my younger brother was finally coming home from Scotland. He's been in Scotland and Ireland for 2 years on a mission trip from our church. So I went over and got everything organized and ready for him. And you'll see I'm actually marking that right here with this beautiful little lace scallop box from Bloom Paper Studio. And my mom made a custom script that says James comes home. But yeah, this was the day that he came home. So a lot of Monday had to do with preparing for him to come home because his flight got in at 10:05 in the evening. So we spent the entire day getting ready. So I marked that I helped clean my parents' house and I used a label from the kit. That circle is from Paper Muse Crafts. The icon is from Crafts by Towie. And then running errands with my mom, I marked with a Panda Bird Designs box, a piece of deco from the kit, and that car is from Bloom Paper Studio. Jumping over to Tuesday, I wanted to mark that we hung out at my parents' house because obviously my younger brother was there, so we were all just kind of hanging out, having a good time, hearing about his stories and adventures. So to mark that, I used a half box from the kit, a flourish from Honey Inked, that little house is from Crafts by Towie, and the custom mom and dad script is another custom that my mom made for me. Then I wanted to mark that I went running on this day, a nice good long run. It's actually starting to cool off here finally, so I can actually run comfortably in the daytime and not like, you know, melt after standing outside for like 5 seconds. So thanks, Texas, I appreciate ya. So to mark that, I'm actually using a glitter header from the kit, that circle floral boxes from Crafts by Towie, along with the shoe, and then of course a custom running script from my mom. Then I wanted to mark that I did some special effects makeup on my younger brother on this day. He is such a good sport, and he has been helping me with my 13 Nights of Halloween makeup, which I hope you guys are really enjoying. I post it on Instagram, on my Instagram stories, and it's so much fun for me to like play around with makeup, and especially like the gory, gross Halloween makeup. I don't know why, it's always fascinated me. But anyways, to mark that, I use this scalloped half box from Panda Bird Design, and that little makeup bag icon is from the Pretty Pink Co. Then to cap off the night, my dad grilled steaks because my younger brother hadn't had an American steak in 2 years. So to mark that, I use a quarter box from Panda Bird Design. That steak board is from Paper Shire, and then that fancy flourish divider is from Pink Polka Dot Lily. Jumping over to Wednesday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that I uploaded my plan with me on this day. And the reason I uploaded my plan with me on Wednesday instead of Monday is because I wanted to get my haul up, because the kit I used for my plan with me was a kit I hadn't hauled yet. So I was like, okay, I gotta get that up. So to mark that, I used a bowstring box from The Giving Girl, another piece of floral deco from Vintage Sticker Dream, and that planner is from Planning World. Then I wanted to mark that I had my Zoom class on this day. So to mark that, I'm using a label from the kit. The Zoom class Ava is from Planning Like a Pro, and oh my gosh, I love using that to mark my Zoom classes. I have to make another order because I'm running out, so I'm using her sparingly. Then I wanted to mark after that, it was a pretty lazy day. So to mark that, I'm using another one of those beautiful lace scallop boxes from Bloom Paper Studio. That little Ava is from Planning Like a Pro. She's just sitting there sipping her coffee in her big sweater, living her best. The lazy day script is from Pink Leaf Prints. Then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that I played Animal Crossing. I'm not marking Animal Crossing as often as I was before, but have no fear, I play Animal Crossing every single day. There's just daily things you have to do, and if you don't, you miss out on things. So to mark that, I'm using another quarter box from Panda Bird Design. The switch is from Planning World, and then the custom Animal Crossing script is from my mom. Jumping over to Thursday, I wanted to mark that me and my husband and my younger brother took our nieces and nephews to the park. The weather was just so amazing. So to mark that, I am using a half box from the kit along with some deco, and then that vine deco piece is from Honey Inked. On this day, while we were at the park, my youngest nephew, Evan, oh my gosh, they were playing freeze tag, and apparently the kid who was it tagged him a little too hard, and he completely like slammed his cheek into one of the like Jungle Gym bars, and he had this giant knot on his cheek, and it was so sad. It just like broke my heart, because like he's like my baby, and I get like super massively protective. So when he came up and had this giant knot, I was like, who did this? Was it an accident? And he was like, yeah, we were just playing too hard. I was like, okay, all right, let's get you some ice, sweetie. Anyways, jumping down, after we took the kids to the park, this was the day that me and my husband did our huge grocery run. We were getting really low. So to mark that, I use another label from the kit. That grocery bag is from Crafts by Towie. To fill in that empty white space, that flourish is from Rose Colored Days. And the grocery shop script is from my mom. Then after grocery shopping, I took a fat nap on my couch, so I used a scallop square box from Meg B Makes, another piece of floral deco from Vintage Sticker Dream. That adorable eyelash pillow is from the Sweet Planner. Jumping over to Friday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that we finally had a balloon event on this day. So to mark that, I am using a half box from the kit. That piece of vine deco is from Honey Inked. Those balloons are from Paper Shire. And it was actually 2 balloon gigs. We built balloon decor. My boss trained us a little bit. And when I say us, it was me, my husband, and my younger brother. And we learned how to like build balloon arches and columns and everything. And then I had a 2-hour balloon animal twisting gig. So it was a pretty full day of balloons for me. I also wanted to mark that we went to this like gourmet hot dog place for lunch called Bulldoggies. And it was really good at the time, but it sat so heavy in my stomach later, and I was like not hungry for like hours and hours and hours. I was like, ooh, bad choice. So it was good at the time, but I don't know if I'll be going back. Then I wanted to mark that I filmed my monthly Plan With Me. So to mark that, I used this beautiful flat lay from Paper Shire. Above that, again, I used another one of those beautiful flourishes from Pink Polka Dot Lily, and the script is from my mom. Then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that I filmed another special effects makeup look. And I believe that was, I want to say like day 6 or something. I forget how many days I'm on right now, guys. I've been like cranking these things out and trying to get them up. But to mark that, I used another 3rd box from Panda Bird Design, another makeup bag from Pink Polka Dot. No, that's the Pretty Pink Co. My gosh, there's so many like pretty pink places. And then those speckles and diamonds are from Letters from Lay. I need to invest in a full sheet of those. I know she sells them. I just need to get them. Jumping over to Saturday, I wanted to mark that me and my husband slept in, which was glorious. And so to mark that, I'm using a 3rd box, another pumpkin deco piece from the kit. That sleep mask is from Bloom Paper Studio, and the sleep in script is from my mom. Then I wanted to mark that we celebrated my sister's 35th birthday. Her birthday was on the 12th, but we had my brother-in-law threw a birthday party for her on this day with just us and a few friends. So I don't think there were more than 10 people. So yes, we were still practicing social distancing, keeping it safe, keeping it clean. So to mark that, I'm using 2 flags from the Sweet Planner. That bow is from Bloom Paper Studio. That happy birthday present and cupcake is from Sweet Tea Plans, and then the happy birthday script is a custom from my mom. Then I wanted to mark that I did a home workout on this night, so to mark that I used a label from the kit, and those weights are from the Glitter Mama. Then to cap off the night, we had my younger brother over, so we had a movie night because he's missed out on a lot of movies since he's been gone. So to mark that, I used a quarter box from Panda Bird Design. That TV icon is from Crafts by Towie, and the movie night script is from my mom. Jumping over to Sunday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that we had church at my parents' house again on this day. So to mark that, I am using that floral half doily from Honey Inked, a Giving Girl bowstring box layered over top of that, another piece of beautiful floral deco from Vintage Sticker Dream. The church icon is from Crafts by Towie, and then the church script is from Planner Kate. I am trying to be so sparing with these Vintage Sticker Dream like florals because, oh my gosh, they're so freaking beautiful. The paper quality in these florals is like, oh my gosh, it's insane. So if you're someone who loves putting florals in your spread, go check out Vintage Sticker Dream. The whole reason I put florals in my spread is honestly because of Tay from Shantae Plans. Like, she did it in her birthday spread, and I was like, okay, done. That's how I discovered the Sweet Planner, and I've been obsessed with putting floral in my spreads ever since. So thank you, Tay. Next thing I wanted to mark is that I deep clean my kitchen on this day. I love making sure I have a clean stove. Like, I don't know what it is. I could have dishes in my sink or whatever, but if my stove is dirty, I'm like, So to mark that, I'm using a half box from the kit, another lace half scallop from Bloom Paper Studio, and then the clean kitchen icon is from the GP Studio. Then I wanted to mark that this was Plans Change episode number 7 with Rachel from Gathered Plans and Tay from Shantae Plans. I adore watching their Plan With Me lives. It's like, it's such a great escape, and I'm so glad they're doing it. So I love marking. It's like going to be a thing that I mark in my planner. If you guys get tired of it, I'm sorry. Sorry, not sorry. But to mark that, I use another piece of floral deco. That floral frame box is from Crafts by Towie, and then the phone is from the Glitter Mama. Then to cap off the night, I wanted to mark that I filmed this Plan With Me. So to mark that, I used another label from the kit. That planner icon is from Crafts by Towie, and then the bow flourish that I pull in is from Rose Colored Days, and the film Plan With Me script is from my mom. That completes the spread, guys. Here are the leftovers I have from the kit, along with a Viv Wiggle. I loved using this kit. I loved all the rose gold. But anyways, that completes this spread. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!